One of the key bonuses that you get with your Focus First subscription is access to the online classes. These classes are a great way to really master pricing and real estate reviews so that you get the most out of the software and you really get to see the results in your business. Now, to find these classes, all you have to do is log in, click the online courses here at the top, and then select which class you'd like to take. So if you want to take the real estate reviews class, all you do is click here, and you'll see that this class is now open. Now you notice that every page looks like this with a video instruction here, any downloads for that lesson below that, and the ability to mark that video complete and then move to the next video. Now on the right hand side here is the outline for the class where it talks about the different sections and what videos are in this area. Now as you watch the videos, as you finish your lesson, click the Mark Video Complete button and you'll see a check mark here appear next to your class. That way you know what videos you have taken, which ones you haven't. So work your way through this class to master real estate reviews. Then when you're ready to go to the other class, go to the online courses button and click the new CMA Mastery class. Again, you'll see the video here on the left, the option to mark complete and then move to the next video, and the outline for the class here on the right. Now you can click watch next video and keep moving between the lessons, or you can click the different lessons by name over here and jump to that section. You'll notice some of them don't have additional resources while other ones do, and that's because certain videos really don't require additional resource. They're really an in-depth lesson, while other ones will give you extra resources to make sure that you stay on track. One that I'd point out for this one in particular is if you go to the end of this class when you actually get finished, there's two additional new resources. One that's meant to help you market yourself as a pricing master in this competitive positioning method, and understanding the whole process step by step, so as you walk through this class, when you get done with it, you can use that to keep on track. But that's how you're going to use the online courses by clicking this button up here, navigating between the two classes, and marking those lessons complete until you finish them and become a Real Estate Reviews and new CMA Mastery.